Pero diba at least nalaman ko, uy, pwede pa na.
O, di ba?
Tama, kasi June na, Miss Maya.
Oo. So dapat sa December wala na tong
Wala na.
Wala na rin
Tsaka wala na si Teach. Ikaw lang talaga.
Are you proud of the head? Move your shoulders back, forward. Okay, elbows in. Now inhale, nice up. Good. Strong arms, walk forward. Walk forward. Walk forward. A little bit more. Okay, one leg up. Bring this move.
Hindi man lang sa amin.
Okay. Straight lang your head na. Okay, nice up. Good. Keep it swing. Now, kick. See? Let's straight.
Parang mas mabilis ngayon.
Like I said, relax. Enjoy.
Tsaka mas straight siya ngayon. Nice!
Keep breathing. 5 more breaths. 1, 2,
Nice, may balance.
mabalas na. 4,
360 degrees to. Teka, yung drone lang, Miss Maya, set up ko lang.
okay, that's
Yay!
Good job!
Naku, hindi na-record. Ulitin natin. Ulit po.